Hello everyone. Today I bring you hot air balloon rope embroidery tutorial. Before sewing, we need to tie a knot at the end of the metal thread. Then we need to mark the position on the grid cloth. The green one is the direction of the thread, and the blue dots are the node positions. The preparation is done. Let's start embroidering. Be sure to find the right position is relatively simple, and embroider according to the position. So let's speed up. In the video, I embroidered according to my own idea. As long as there are no major mistakes, it's okay. The order doesn't matter. It's important to tighten the thread after each stitch, so that it looks more beautiful. After embroidering the thread part, fix the knot on the back. You can start embroidering the node part. We also find the right position and fix it on the canvas with the pointer method. The rest is also fixed according to the position. Fix all the nodes. So here is the end of the rope sewing tutorial. I make hopes that you, like us, like this wonderful design of sewing and embroidery. See you next time.